Are you frustrated by the low engagement and traffic on your blog posts and articles? Do you want to reach more people with your content marketing efforts? If so, it's time to consider an SEO strategy. Hello and welcome to Wizcabin. In this video, we'll take you through the topic how to use SEO for content marketing. Let's begin! Search engine optimization, SEO, is a critical component of content marketing. It involves optimizing your website and content to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs, for relevant keywords and phrases. Here are some steps to use SEO for content marketing. Keyword research is the process of identifying the search terms or phrases that your target audience uses to find information on the internet. You can use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to find keywords with high search volume and low competition. Once you've identified your keywords, you can use them to optimize your content and website for search engines. Your website should be optimized for search engines so that it's easier for them to understand and rank your content. Some of the ways to optimize your website include using title tags and meta descriptions to provide a concise summary of your content, using header tags H1, H2, H3 to organize your content and make it easier to read, using alt tags to describe your images and other media, making sure your website is mobile-friendly and loads quickly, using internal links to connect related content on your site. Link building is an essential part of SEO. High-quality backlinks from relevant and authoritative websites can improve your search engine rankings and increase traffic to your site. Some ways to build backlinks include creating high-quality content that other websites will want to link to, reaching out to other websites and asking them to link to your content, guest posting on other websites and including a link back to your site, participating in industry forums or groups and linking back to your site when appropriate. Monitor your search engine rankings and traffic regularly. You can use tools like Google Analytics to track your website's performance and identify areas for improvement. Based on your analysis, you can refine your SEO strategy and adjust your content accordingly. This could include tweaking your keywords, optimizing your content for specific search terms, or building more backlinks. With the rise of mobile devices, it's essential to optimize your content for mobile users. This means that your website and content should be mobile-friendly. Some ways to optimize your content for mobile devices include using a responsive website design that adjusts to different screen sizes, optimizing your images and videos for fast loading on mobile devices, simplifying your navigation and making it easy to find information on small screens, using large fonts and simple layouts that are easy to read on mobile devices. In conclusion, SEO is a crucial strategy for content marketers looking to improve the visibility and reach of their content. By optimizing your content for search engines, you can attract more visitors to your website, generate more leads and sales, and achieve your content marketing goals. To use SEO effectively for content marketing, it's important to conduct keyword research, create high-quality content that provides value to your target audience, optimize your website and content for search engines, and measure your results. With a well-executed SEO strategy, you can position your business for success in the competitive world of content marketing. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to like and share the video. Your support helps us create more content for you. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video.